How to download and install YouTube app on phone. Wanna watch YouTube videos on your phone? Hi everyone, this is Rose, and in this video I'll show you how to download and install the YouTube app on your mobile device. Note that this video will demonstrate on an Android, but you can find written instructions for both iOS or Android devices. So without further ado, let's get started. I already have downloaded and installed YouTube application. If you haven't, you can navigate to Play Store on Android or iOS, then you can open App Store. Navigate to search icon at bottom right. Select search bar. Type in YouTube and from the search result find out the official YouTube app. Select it. Then you will get install button. Select that and depending on your internet and storage, it will take a few time to download and install. Afterwards, you will get open or update button. If your app is not updated, you can select update and install the updated version of YouTube app. So that's it. That is how you can easily download and install YouTube app on phone. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.